So the question.
Okay, go. Yeah, well, the question is, do you think visual stimulation works with babies?
Well, I think so. I mean, it's clearly with Thomas, with the third one with albinism, we've been much more aware of it beforehand. So I gave him a lot more visual stimulation when he was little, and he doesn't even have nystagmus or anything. It could be genetics that he just has a milder case, or it could be, but I think it definitely helps.
Tell us about the other children you have.
Well, so they both also have albinism, but Michael's got severe epilepsy, so it's hard to say how much you can see. Alex has it, but it's much more severe than his younger brother, where he's got strabismus, nystagmus, clearly doesn't see far and well, but he's also fairer, so he's got very pale blue eyes and pale blonde hair, and Thomas, this younger one, has got kind of hazel eyes and more darker blonde.
So you have three children with ocular albinism.
Yes.
And the youngest one is 5 months.
Yeah.
In your experience, did you do more visual stimulation?
I did more with him, and he actually did have a bit of strabismus when I was young, and I said, I think he's going to have it, but then it went away. So, and then I thought, oh, he doesn't have it, but I don't know if it's genetics or if it's the environment, but so many people say it's both. So I say, it can't hurt, so err on the caution and give more. I mean, so, and they say kids who are deprived of visual stimulation, normal kids, don't develop their sight properly, right? So if you're at risk, I think you should definitely be doing everything you can.
So in your case, you actually have all of the symptoms. What other symptoms you've got?
Me personally?
Yeah.
I've got nystagmus. I had really bad strabismus when I was little. I have iris transillumination, and I have foveal hypoplasia.
But you never had it diagnosed?
No, and I also have astigmatism, and I've never had perfect vision.
And you only found out fairly recently?
I went to Moorfields before I got pregnant, because when I was little, an eye doctor looked at the back of my eye and said, you might be a carrier of albinism. My parents told me when I was 34, right before I was going to have kids, because I was having genetic testing anyway for the kids for something else. And I went to Moorfields and said, am I a carrier? And they looked at me and said, you have foveal hypoplasia, but you are not a carrier of albinism. And then I have 3 children with albinism. Whoops.